Good morning, children. Last day I given you some questions for practice. Did you completed it? Anyway, we are going to continue the remaining questions. Okay, some more questions. That day I told you some more questions are pending. Okay, let's continue that questions.
Third question. If A and B are, small letters A and B are both rational numbers, find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Okay. So, the question is 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to A plus B root 2. A plus B root 2. Okay, this is our question. 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to A plus B root 2. So, A and B are rational numbers. We need to find out the value of A and B. Okay, LHS and RHS is given. Here also, look the LHS, we need to rationalize it. Because what is the denominator? 3 minus root 2. So, first we are taking the LHS and we are going to rationalize this term. Okay, that is 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Okay, we are going to rationalize it means we are multiplying the numerator and denominator with the 3 plus root 2. So, 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 minus root 2 into 3 plus root 2. Okay. So, what is the numerator? 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2. That we can write 3 plus root 2 whole square divided by here A plus B into A minus B. Many questions we done. Okay. 3 square 9 minus root 2 square is 2 itself, 9 minus 2. So, we can write. So, before that we can expand that one. 3 plus root 2 whole square. How can we expand it? A plus B whole square form. A square 9 plus 2 into 3 6 root 2 plus root 2 square 2 divided by 9 minus 2 7. How can we write? 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. Clear? So, after rationalizing 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2, we got 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. Okay. So, now we can substitute that values here. That is, instead of this we got that one after rationalizing. That is 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. This is our LHS equal to A plus B root 2. A plus B root 2. We need to find out the value of A and B. Okay. So, just split and write this side. That is, this one we can write 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2. Any mistake? Any problem? No, just we splitted 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7 we wrote 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2 second day. Okay. Equal to A plus B root 2. Now, just you compare these LHS and RHS. When you are comparing LHS and RHS, you look, one term is here, here also one term. One is here also, root 2 is root 2. So, what is A? Instead of A, yes, 11 by 7. What is B? 6 by 7. Okay. So, we can write A equal to 11 by 7. Then B equal to 6 by 7. Clear? That is, instead of A, what is here? 11 by 7. Instead of B, what is here? 6 by 7. Then root 2 is here, both. So, we need to find out the value of A and B. So, A equal to 11 by 7, B equal to 6 by 7. Understood? Okay. So, what is our question? Find if A and B are two rational numbers, find the value of A and B. Question 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 equal to A plus B root 2. Important question. These type questions you can expect for the exam. Okay. So, for finding the values of A and B, first we need to rationalize the LHS. Okay. If you are rationalizing it, multiply with the conjugate of 3 minus root 2. That is 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2 into 3 plus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 into 3 plus root 2. Okay. Here both the terms are equal. So, we 3 plus root 2 whole square we can write and expand it. After that you will get 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. That is LHS. Then we need to compare this LHS and RHS. That is 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7 equal to A plus B root 2 already given. Instead of this we wrote that one. That only happened. Isn't it? So, when we are just for getting from this also you will get the answer A and B. So, for understanding I splitted this term. So, 11 by 7 plus 6 by 7 root 2 equal to A plus B root 2. A equal to 11 by 7 and B equal to 6 by 7. Clear? Okay. Our third question also complete. Then come to our fourth question. Okay. Up to now we discussed about the rationalize and all. The next that laws of exponents we studied. Okay. From that one question we can do. Fourth question. So write the question. Show that x raised to a by x raised to b all raised to a plus b by 3 into x raised to b by x raised to c all raised to b plus c by 3 into x raised to c by x raised to a all raised to c plus a by 3 equal to 1. That we need to prove. Okay. Look our question. Show that x raised to a by x raised to b all raised to a plus b by 3 into x raised to b by x raised to c into raised to b plus c by 3 into x raised to c by x raised to a all raised to a plus a by 3. Okay. Laws of exponents we need to use here. Okay. So, here also show that question. First we need to take LHS. So, what is our LHS? X raised to a by x raised to b. So, one law we studied. What is that? A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. That also we need to use here. X raised to a by x raised to b we can write x raised to a minus b. Clear? X raised to a by x raised to b equal to x raised to a minus b into a plus b by 3 into x raised to b by x raised to c. How can we write like this? X raised to b minus c all raised to b plus c by 3 into next x raised to c by x raised to, how can we write? X raised to c minus a all raised to c plus a by 3. So, what we change first? Inside this bracket that we changed using the law of exponents. Clear? Okay. The next, again here one law we can use. A raised to m the all raised to n. A raised to m the all raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. Okay. Apply that law here. So, we can write this one. X raised to a minus b into a plus b by 3. Clear? Into x raised to b minus c all raised to b plus c by 3. How can we write? X raised to b minus c into b plus c by 3 into x raised to c minus a into c plus a by 3. Clear? Okay. Then listen, here x raised to a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. We know what is that? A square minus b square. So, how can we write here? A square minus b square into. Next, x raised to b minus c into b plus c. B square minus c square into. Next, x raised to c minus a into c plus a. How can we write? X raised to c square minus a square. Okay? Then you look 1 3 is the residue that we need to add here. Clear? That is x raised to a square minus b square by 3 into x raised to b square minus c square by 3 into x raised to c square minus a square by 3. Okay. So, here a raised to m into a raised to n into a raised to b we can add the exponents. Okay, a raised to m into a raised to n we can write a raised to m plus n. Here 3 terms are there. So, we can write x raised to, here the base is x. So, x raised to a square minus b square by 3 plus b square minus c square by 3 plus c square minus a square by 3. Okay. So, that is equal to x raised to, okay, here a square minus b square by 3 plus b square minus c square by 3 plus c square minus a square by 3. Now you look, the denominators same, isn't it? It is a square minus b square by 3 plus b square minus c square by 3 plus c square minus a square by 3. Denominators are same. So, we can write, rubbing this first. X raised to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square all divided by 3. Isn't it? Okay. So, listen, here also a square minus a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square. Isn't it? Clear? Listen. Now, x raised to a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. So, what is plus a square minus a square? 0. Minus b square plus b square? 0. Minus c square plus c square? 0. What is remaining? 0 by 3. 0 by 3? X raised to 0. X raised to 0 equal to 1. Isn't it? That is our RHS. Clear? So, what we got? X raised 0 equal to 1 our RHS. Understood? Some confusion is there, no? I will explain it. Okay. So, our question you know. So, first LHS. I will explain speedily. So, x raised to a minus b into a plus b by 3 into x raised to b minus c into b plus c by 3 into x raised to c minus a into c plus a by 3. In the first case, we used the law of exponents. That is a raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. So, that we applied here. So, x raised to a minus b into all raised to a plus b by 3. Everywhere we applied. Isn't it? The next a raised to m, the all raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. M into n. That we applied in next term. A raised to a minus b into a plus b by 3. Here also x raised to b minus c into b plus c by 3 into x raised to c minus a into c plus a by 3. Clear? Okay. So here you look. Here a plus b, that is a minus b into a plus b, that we studied the identities. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, that we used. A square minus b square by this 3 into here also b minus c into b plus c, b square minus c square, b square minus c square by 3 into here also c minus a into c plus a, c square minus a square, that is x raised to c square minus a square by 3. Clear? Up to here you understood? Okay. Then here you look, here the base x, here also x, here also x. So a raised to m into a raised to n, we can write a raised to m plus n. Here 3 terms are there. So if one a into a raised to p is there, means a raised to m plus n plus p, we can write. Like that we are adding here also. Clear? A raised to m into a raised to n into a raised to p is there. A. How can we write? A raised to m plus n plus p. Like that here also what we done? X raised to 1x we wrote. Then the exponent, that is a square minus b square by 3 plus b square minus c square by 3 plus c square minus a square by 3. Clear? Then look here. Denominator 3. So when we are adding, 3 is the common denominator. So just add the numerator only. So here I just added the numerator. A square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square all divided by 3. Okay. Then here you look. 1a square is the like terms. We are searching any like terms are there. So we got the like terms. A square, 2 terms are there. 2 times a square. But here it is plus a square minus a square. What is plus a square minus a square? 0. Plus, that is plus b square minus b square? 0. Plus c square minus c square again? 0. Clear? So what we got? X raised to 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means 0. So x raised to 0, that is equal to 1. That is our RHS. Now we proved. Clear? Okay. Then then we are going to do next question, 5th question. Okay. Prove that 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29 equal to 7 by 10. We need to prove. Okay. Once again the question, 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29 equal to 7 by 10 we need to prove. Okay. So we can take the LHS. Okay. What is our LHS? 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29. So look the denominator, look the numerator. Here 2 raised to 30, 2 raised to 29, 2 raised to 28 is there. This is the common term. 2 raised to 28. So we can take 2 raised to 28 outside. Okay. That is 2 raised to 30 means we know that 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into etc. 30 times. 2 raised to 29 also 2 into 2 into 2 into etc. 2 raised to 29 times. Isn't it? 2 raised to 28, 2 into 2 into etc. 28 times. So from that 3 terms I am taking 2 raised to 28 is outside because 2 raised to 28 terms common in these 3 terms, isn't it? So when I took 2 raised to 28 outside, what is remaining in 2 raised to 30? 2 raised to 30? 2 raised to 2 is remaining. Clear? From 2 raised to 30, that is 230 times. From that 228 times I took outside. So what is remaining after 28, 29, 30? 2 2's are remaining. That I wrote here 2 raised to 2. Clear? Plus here 2 raised to 29. From that 2 raised to 28 up to 2 raised to 28 I took outside. 28 2's I took outside. What is remaining? 1 2 is remaining. That we can write 2 raised to 1. Clear? The next. From 2 raised to 28, 2 raised to 28 I took outside. All the terms I took outside. What is remaining? The 2 raised 0 terms remaining. So 2 raised to 0 divided by denominator 2 raised to 31, 2 raised to 30, 2 raised to 29. What we can take outside? 2 raised to 29 we can take outside. Common term. So when we are taking 2 raised to 29 outside, here how many 2's remaining? 2 2's remaining. 2 raised to 29, 29 2's I took outside, 31 2's are there, 2 2's are remaining, that we can write 2 square. Plus here also 29 took 2 raised to 1 minus here also 2 raised to 0. Clear? So here you look, how can we change? 2 raised to 28. Here 2 square 4 plus 2 raised to 1 2 plus 2 raised to 0 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 2 divided by, here you look, 2 raised to 29. Here 2 square 4 plus 2 minus 1. Okay, so that how can we write? 2 raised to 28 and 2 raised to 29 is there. Okay, 2 raised to 28 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to 28. 2 raised to 29 means 2 into 2 into 2 into etc. 29 times. So we can cancel that one. So if you are cancelling 2 raised to 28, 2 raised to 29, here one time here, cancelling this one, 2 raised to 28 and 2 raised to 29. So here there is no 2 raised to 28 times, here 2 raised to 1 is remaining. Okay, other all terms go. So we can write 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. There we can write. Equal to 7, numerator, by, look, 2 raised to 29, there is 1 2 is remaining, that 2. Here 4 plus 2 6 minus 1 5, 2 into 5. So that is equal to 7 by 10. That is our RHS. We need to prove. We got the answer. Clear? Up to here you understood, I think. So here you look, 2 raised to 28 by 2 raised to 29. It is here 2 raised to 28 and 2 raised to 29. We can cancel. If we cancelled 2 raised to 28 from 2 raised to 29, only 1 2 is remaining. That I wrote here 2. Isn't it? That is this 2. Here 2. 1 2 is remaining, 2 raised to 1. Okay. Here inside the bracket, here it is 1. Here 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 I wrote. Then 2 raised to 1 is 2 into 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. That is 2 into 5. That is 7 by 10. That is equal to RS. We need to prove. Clear? So, we proved 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29 equal to 7 by 10. Clear? Okay.
Okay. The last one more question is there, that also we can do. After that we can wind up this session. So our sixth question. If root of 2 raised to x plus 3, if root of 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 16, find the value of x. Find the value of x. If root of 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 16, find the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. Okay. So, it is given that 16. Okay. So, we can start. So, listen here, root of 2 raised to x plus 3. So, first step, for removing that square root, we can square it. Okay. So, we know that root a. If we are squaring it, root a square, what we will get? A. That root will go. So, for removing this root, we are squaring. If you are squaring this left side, you need to square the right side also. Isn't it? So, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. That is, if we squared one side, you need to square the next side, that is RHS also. So, squaring on both sides. What we will get? Root of 2 raised to x plus 3 whole square equal to 16 square. Okay. So, now this square removed. So, what we can write? 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to, what is 16 square? 256. Isn't it? Isn't it? So, 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to 256. Here also you need to change to the power of 2. Okay. So, 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to, for finding that, 2 raised to 56 divided by 2. 1, 2, it is remaining. 2 into 2, 4, 16, 8. Again by 2, 12, 6 times, 8, 4 times, by 2, 3 times, 2 times, by 2, 1 time, 12, 6 times, by 2, 8, by 2, 4, by 2, 2. So, how many 2's are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we can write 2 raised to, that is 256 equal to 2 raised to 8, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 2's are there. Okay. So, instead of 256 we can write 2 raised to 8. Now, you look, 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to 8 we got. Okay. Now, the bases are equal. If the bases are equal, 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to 8 we got. Here the bases are equal. Then, equate the exponents on power part. So, what we can write? Therefore, x plus 3 equal to 8. Okay, because the bases are equal. Then we are comparing these two. X plus 3 equal to 8. If bases are equal means powers also equal. So, x plus 3 equal to 8, because equal sign also here. So, x plus 3 equal to 8, isn't it? 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to 8. So, we can write x plus 3 equal to 8. So, what is x? 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Okay. Now, what is the value of x? 5. Clear? So, first the important step is squaring it. Okay. First you need to square it. Then this root will go 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 56. Then factorize this 256, write the power of 2. Okay. We are writing 256 as the power of 2 means 256 is equal to 2 raised to 8. So, we are writing 2 raised to x plus 3 equal to 2 raised to 8. Here the bases are equal. So, take the powers. So, x plus 3 equal to 8, that is x equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now, we got the value of x equal to 5. Clear? Okay. Then, I think all the questions
which are the questions we solved today. Everything you understood, isn't it? I think so. Okay. So, what you need to do? You need to write neatly it in the notebook. Okay. So, when you are doing that time, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Clear it and go. Okay. Simple questions. So, these type questions you need to practice more. Okay. After writing in notebook, in your practice paper, you need to practice it again and again. Then only you will understood. Clear? Okay. So, our first chapter finished, completed, isn't it? Then next we need to take our next chapter. Before that, you want to thorough this chapter. All the problems you need to practice it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Understood? Okay. All the best. Thank you.